Hey guys, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. We are actually kind of on the second part of our video. We originally had a storm claim with this customer's home here in the Timaquan area, and we installed a brand new Eagle barrel tile on this roof. And this is a full insurance claim situation, so we've installed a new tile roof and took care of the removal, installed new gutters. We're installing new gutters as we speak right now, facilitated installing a whole new pool solar heater system on their house. So we've done an awful lot on this house. It's a really large claim, but I want to kind of pan the camera around just a little bit, show you a little bit about our tile. Everything came out really nice. Everything matches up really well. So to take care of an entire claim, we're your crew. So as you can see, we've got our new barrel tile, getting our new gutters installed here. We also installed a brand new screen enclosure with damage by all the hail that we had last May. So everything is pretty much all wrapped up. Driveway is all cleaned up and resealed as well. So I mean, everything came out really nice. Everything looks brand new, and we're just kind of wrapping things up. We just had another hailstorm here just last weekend. So if there's anybody that's out there that needs some help facilitating an entire claim, not just putting a new roof, but taking care of the entire claims process for you, please give us a call. Once again, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. Appreciate you watching our videos.